Okay guys, so yes. So ito na naman po tayo ngayon. So magba-vlog na naman po tayo ulit. So I'm gonna be bringing my lightweight fishing rod and rail. And then I'm actually going now to my fishing spot, which is malapit dun sa Tagbak Terminal. So let's go guys. Alright, so hi guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa aking fishing spot, which is dito po ako nakakuha ng malaking uh, tawag namin dito is haluan before. So let's go tayo ngayon dito. Right. So time check po, this is actually around 4 na po, 4:24 na. So this is a perfect time for fishing here. Let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna be doing river fishing na naman po. Alright, okay, so this is the spot. Try natin mamaya, magsiset up lang po tayo. Right. Nice. Up. Pasensya na, wala tayong stand ngayon eh. Mahina pa sa budget. So, let's do this. Right. So, based po sa aking experience before, nung namingwit po ako dito. So ito pong ginagamit ko po. Very lightweight lang po. Alright, pre-set up na po. Okay. Okay, so may na-set up na po tayo na hook and line. So this is like medium large na line po. Okay, then we're gonna be using lightweight. Yan, for setup. Okay, now for the bait, usually dito please ginagamit po nila is earthworm, or dito sa amin is lago. And as always, river fishing, mostly talaga na bait is lago talaga, earthworm. Alright, set up na po tayo. Okay, so we have our bait, earthworms. So earthworms. Alright, setting up. So, labas na po tayo. Lapit lang. So, usually dito po tayo nagka-cast. And, yun. Let's wait for fish. Okay, later guys. Okay, so, dito kailangan natin kung isang practice. So, what I did is I did right fishing float. So, like that. You can see there, I have set up like two floating floating holes on side 9 and 6. So time check, it's 5:55 and we're still waiting. So okay guys, I'll just update you later. Okay guys, so nandito na po ako sa bahay and yeah, sad to say wala pa tayo nahuli pa rin ng isda. Tried fishing for like about 2.5 hours from 24 to 6:30 and yeah, wala talaga eh. Kasi based daw sa info na nakuha ko kanina, sabi daw ng isang security guard na nagbabantay doon sa mga backhole malapit doon sa pinamimitan natin is parati daw kinukuha ng ng buhangin doon sa ilalim. So kaya yung mga isda pumunta doon sa kabila. And we'll try tomorrow if we could be able to like do fishing dun sa kabila ng river na pinamimitan natin kanina. And hopefully we can upload more videos every week, or 1 to 2 videos every week based on the schedules that we have. And because kasi may trabaho pa tayo ngayon, so yeah, let's try uploading videos every week. And hopefully moving forward continuous na yung pag-upload natin ng videos. So okay guys, so let's try again tomorrow and hopefully again. And well, ay nga pala, if ever na hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please try to check Stevo Loco or Stevo Loco Sasa. Yan po yung pangalan ng aking YouTube channel. And yeah, please hit subscribe or the bell button sa ilalim po, dito lang po. And for more videos and updates, thank you so much for watching my vlog and you have a great day and happy fishing.